Day 2, I hope that you did your self-talk, take stock of your self-talk. I hope that you did it because it is so important that we start to actually unpack why this may not be working the way you want it to be working. So how did it go? Was it hard? Did you figure out some things that you're saying to yourself that are really mean? It's so common. Let me just tell you that. This is normal, unfortunately. We are never more mean to anyone than we are to ourselves. Sometimes the things that people bring back after they've done this exercise, it's like you would not say that to your worst enemy, yet you're saying it to yourself. We've got to turn these limiting beliefs around because that's really what they are. They're keeping you from being the person in the world that you know you're called to be. What I'm wanting you to do today is to really work on these limiting beliefs. And you may be thinking, this is a course on finding a more powerful voice, and we've not done one iota of voice work yet. Yes, stick with me. We got to get all this stuff cleaned out so that you can find your powerful voice. If you're still trying to find vocal power and you're under all this condemnation, it's just going to weigh you down. Like literally, this affects this. It is what I have found after all these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of vocalists that I've worked with. That's why we start here. So what we're wanting to do is I want you to take the most disgusting, yucky, gross thing that you said to yourself, and I want you to turn it around. I want you to rewrite that negative message as a positive. I want you to be using language like, my voice operates freely when I sing. My voice is opening up every day. And if it's something that's not vocally related, reframe it into a positive message. And then for the next 24 hours, I want you to really be intentional about looking at this message. And when the negative stuff comes up, and especially as we go through this next few days of actually doing some voice work, things might start to get tweaked a little bit. That's when you need to have this positive message written down somewhere where you can actually access it easily and you're able to actually see it. Retrain your brain towards positive thought rather than negative. You've got to replace the negative with the positive. So that's your assignment for today. Reframe those limiting beliefs, and I will see you back here tomorrow.